welcome to all in Mahendras.com. Your success is our success. First of all, I would like to give thanks to all of you for continuous liking and watching our video. So as per your demand, again we are here with a new answer discussion that is on SC number 72 SSC CGL of reasoning. Today we are here with 20 new questions which is related to your upcoming examination. So let's have a look. This question is based on order and ranking. You can see here, last examiner wants to know who is longest out of them. First, Vikas is longer than Sham. First, we have write the name of Vikas is longer than Sham. Second, but shorter than Umesh. In this time, they are talking about Vikas. Vikas is longer than Sham, but shorter than Umesh. It means Umesh is longer than Vikas as well as Sham. Now they are talking about Umesh. Umesh who is no longer as Samir. It means Umesh is smaller than Samir. And last but not the least, Ashok is shorter than Sham. Ashok is shorter than Sham. Now after after reading all the statement, we can draw this diagram. That who is the tallest, who is the longest. We can easily say that Samir is the longest out of these 5 members. Second one is Umesh, third one is Vikas, next Sham, and last who is the smallest, answer will be Ashok. Now what they are talking to us, they want to know that find out who is the longest, then our answer should be Samir is the longest in this group. That's all about this question. Let's proceed toward the next question. This question you can see here, this question is based on coding and decoding. While answering the question of coding and decoding, do remember 2 things. First, do remember the place value of each and every alphabet. Second, do remember the opposite of each and every alphabet like A to Z, B to Y, C to X and so on. So while answering the question of this type, first you can see here trouble, code of trouble is GNDWQTV. If you know the place value of all the letters, then it is so easy to crack the pattern of the coding and decoding. Let's have a look. 7, 14, 4, 23, 17, 20, 22. These all are the place value of each and every alphabet. As per the same, 20, 18, 15, 21, 2, 12, 5. Now you can check the pattern of this. First, what thought should become in your mind that T is opposite to G, but R is not opposite to N. So we have to find out some another method of cracking this coding and decoding pattern. Now you can see here 7 to 5 relation should be plus 2, 12 to 14 plus 2, 12 to 2 to 4 relation should be plus 2, 21 to 23 plus 2, 15 to 17 plus 2, 18 to 20 plus 2 and last 20 to 22, answer will be plus 2. First we should solve the teacher. How can we solve the answer of teacher? First we have to solve the mid value C plus 2 E. Answer should be first, second, but it cannot be third. Answer should be first, second or fourth. Next answer will be R to T. R plus 2 answer will be T, E plus 2 answer will be G, H plus 2 answer will be J, A plus 2 answer will be C, E plus 2 G and T plus 2 V. Now we have to give the answer T, G, J, E, C, G, V. That is written in option number first. So we can say that right answer of this question should be option number first. It is so easy if you are aware about the place value of all and each and every alphabet. So let's proceed toward the next question, and do remember, I am again saying to you that do remember the place value of each and every letter. Next question is, select the related letter, word, number, figure from the given alternatives. These are 4 alternatives. First you have to identify the relation between these 2. Then you have to give the answer of which is related to third to fourth. Now as per the question, we can say London is related to Thames River. In the same way, which river is related to New York? New York. Answer should be Hudson River related to New York. We have to be aware about all the things, basic things, like we have to know about the famous river, we have to know about the currencies, country name and their capital. That will be beneficial for our upcoming examination. While answering the question of this topic, like analogy and classification, do remember you have to complete knowledge about basic general awareness, basic GS, you have to aware about geographical knowledge, political knowledge and so on. So let's proceed toward the next question. As you can see here, India is related to CBI. How India is related to CBI? CBI is a intelligence agency of India. Same, you have to aware about Germany intelligence agency, that is BND, which is written in option number 3rd. Now we can say that India is related to CBI, same as Germany is related to BND. Let's move on towards the next question. Now you have to be aware about all the famous country and their relative game and their origin place. Like judo is a game which origin place is Japan. Now we have to find out what sport is famous for Spain. Like Spain is famous for bullfighting, and we can say that origin place of bullfighting is Spain. Now we can relate it that judo is related to Japan. Why judo is related to Japan? Answer should be Japan is the origin place of judo, same as bullfighting. For bullfighting, origin place should be Spain. So right answer of this question will be option number 4, which is written option number D, that is bullfighting. Let's proceed toward the next question. This question, Sri Lanka, Asia, Poland. What is the relation of Poland to out of these 4 alternatives? As we can say that Sri Lanka is an Asian country, same as Poland is a European country. We have to be geographical knowledge about all of these countries and their relative place. Now we can say that Sri Lanka is an Asian country, same as Poland is an European country, which is written on option number 1st. So right answer of this question should be option number 1st. Let's move on towards the next question. This is a numerical values. First we have to identify the relation between these two. As per the question, what is click in your mind? It should be that this one is a square. This is square of 16. So might be after calculating, after adding these 3, we can say that sum of these 3 should be 16. Now we can check it. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 3, 16. So second number is just a square of addition of all the digits of first number. Now what should we do? We should do first addition of all the 3 digits, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6, that should be 15. And now answer should be square of 15, that is 225, which is written in option number 4. So we can say that correct answer of this numerical question is option number 4, which is 225. So be remember all the squares, all the cubes, all the multiplication, and do fast your calculation so that you can reduce your time while answering the question of number spaces. Let's proceed toward the next question. As you can see here, wheat is a food crop, you can easily aware, but when answering about the tea crop, you can be confused, like cash, no, food, no. It can be plantation or horticultural, but right answer of this should be plantation. We can say that tea is a plantation crop, like wheat is a food crop. So right answer of tea should be tea is a plantation crop. So right answer of this question should be option number 3rd. Let's move on towards the next question. Now we have to identify the relation in this question. First we have to clarify what is the relation between these two. Like Malayalam and Kerala, we can say that a state language of Kerala is Malayalam. If we are aware about the basic things about all of our country and some other country, that it can be easy for us for cracking the exam with good marks. So do remember and just enhance your knowledge if you can. Now we have to find what is the state language, out of these 4, Which state language is English? Now we can say that Nagaland is a place where state language is English. Now the right answer should be Nagaland. Why Nagaland? As we can say that state language of Kerala is Malayalam, same as state language of Nagaland is English. So right answer should be option number B, which is written here, that is Nagaland. Let's proceed towards the next question. Godavari is a river, we can easily aware about it, and it flow through Maharashtra. And Krishna is also a river which is flow through Karnataka. So right answer we can easily aware, because it is a basic question. We should be aware about all the basic river of our country, that Godavari flow through Maharashtra, same as Krishna flow through Karnataka. So right answer should be option number 3rd, which is Karnataka, which is written as Karnataka. Let's move on toward the next question. In this question, first be focused towards the numerical value, what they are trying to say, what they want to use from you. You can see here 50 is a number which is just near of square, that is 49. Now what is the relation between these two? How can we relate it? 6 plus 1, if we square the 7, we got what we got? We got 49, and after the addition of 1, what we get? We will get 50. So if we want to solve that, if we want to take the 82, 82 is again the near of square of 90, sorry, square of 9. Square of 9 is 81, and then after adding the 1, what we get? We will get 82. So don't be confused over here, don't write the right answer over here 9, because answer should be 1 plus 8, that is 8 is the answer. Why? 8 plus 1, that is 9, and the square of 9 will be 81, and then addition of 1, what we get? We will get 82. As per the question, what should we do? We should do 6 plus 1, then a square and addition 1. Now as per the requirement of question, 8 plus 1 is square of 9, 81 plus 1, answer should be 82. How can we get? After the requirement of this question, we can get answer should be 8 as per the demand of the question. Let's move on toward the next question. As we have said earlier that do remember the place value while answering the question of coding decoding. Now you try to relate it like place value of I is 9 and place value of U is 21. Addition of these two should be 30, and 30 if we divide by 2, then what will we get? We will get the right answer, that is 15. Now how come it will be 10? We can say that 14 plus 8 divided by 2, answer will be 11. But what we should take? We should take 10. 13 plus 7, what we will get? We will get 20. If we divide 20 by 2, then right answer what will we get? We will get 10, which is demanded by the examiner. So we can say that right answer of this question will be option number B, which is written here, that is MG, because place value of M is 13 and place value of G is 7. 13 plus 7 will be 20, and 20 divided by 2, answer will be 10. So right answer of this question should be option number B. Let's move on towards the next question. This is a question of missing number. As you can see here, the larger value is here, so it cannot be horizontal pattern, it is a vertical pattern. First try to solve it that it can be a square of addition of all the things, and it can be a cube of all the things. Let's have a look. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. If we give the square of 21, then what will we get? We will get 441. So it is that we cannot find the right pattern this time. Now try to change the method, try to change the thing what we are trying to think right now. 8 multiplied by 7, what we will get? We will get 56. If we multiply 56 into 6, then what will we get? We will get 50 into 6, 300, and 6 into 6, 36, then we will get 336. So might be we have cracked the method which is given by examiner. Let's check over here. 7 into 12, answer will be 84, and 84 into 9, answer should be 8 into 9, 72, and 4 into 9, 36, Now right answer should be 756, which is written over here. So now we can easily solve the question. 12 into 8, 96, and 96 into 6. First try to break it into two parts. 19 into 6, 540, and 6 into 6, 36. What will we get? 540 plus 36. Answer should be 576, which is written in option number first. So we can say that right answer of this question should be option number first, that is 576. Let's move on towards the next question. This question is based on matrix. While answering the question on matrix, do remember, for an example, if I is written over here, then what is the number of I? First go through horizontal and then go through vertical. Now you can see here, first horizontal should be 2 and then vertical should be 3. So we can say that answer should be 23. 23 represent for I. If you want to know about what is L represent here, first horizontal, that is 4, then vertical, that is 1. So here L is exists of 40, not 41, that is 42. Remember while answering the question of this type of question. Now what is the right method to solve this question? You can see here, examiner wants to know that what is the correct combination of code of Hiller. First try to eliminate with the elimination method, that try to find out the two number with where the difference is minimum, like 114, no, 13 difference, 87, 50, 58 and 75 difference should be, so 15 more, 4 and 10, here you can see difference will be only 6, but in this time 21 and 23 difference is only 2, so we have to eliminate with 21 and 23, that L should be come in place of 21 or 23, like 21 we can say that L is there, but 23 I is there, so we can say that option number 4 will be eliminated. Now try to solve it with last to first. Last letter you can see here, R is exist here. Now try to solve it, that 45 is exist, R is exist on 45 or not. We can say only 44 we can go, but we cannot say that 45 R is there. Next 0 1, 1 should become or R or not. R is on 0 0, not 0 1, because H is over there. Now we have to check that answer should be option number third. Let's again check it, that 31 R is there or not. We can say that yes, R is on 31. First go through the horizontal and then vertical. So right answer of this question should be option number third. Let's move on towards the next question. In this question, again examiner wants to know about what is the correct combination of NASA. First try to eliminate it with the minimum difference, like 57, 78, 66, difference should be 9. Here difference should be 6. Here difference should be 4. Now try to eliminate it over here. S should be coming in place of 75 or 79. You can see here 75 A is here and 79 S should be there. So we can eliminate the option number first. So we can say answer can be option number second, third and fourth, but it cannot be option number first. Now try to solve it with the last to first relation. First A is on 68 or not? We can say A is not on 68 because A is on 69. Now try to check it. A is on 97 or not? No, because A is on 96. So we can say right answer of this question should be option number 4. Again try to check it, that 87 should be A or not. Yes, we can say first try to go horizontally and then move through vertically. So right answer of this question should be option number 4, which is written here, 57, 69, 79 and 87. So first, while answering the question of matrix, do remember two things. First try to eliminate with the elimination method and try to solve the question. Remaining options should be try to solve from last to first. That is the right answer. That is the right part to solve this type of question. Let's move on towards the next question. This is a question of calendar. As you can see here, if 15th September was Tuesday, which is written over here, then how many Tuesday and Friday were in that month? If 15th September is a Tuesday, then next Tuesday will be 22 and next Tuesday will be 29. because September is a month of 30 days. Now 15 minus 7, that is 8, is a Tuesday, and 8 minus 1, 7 is a 1. So we can say how many Tuesday are there in this month? Answer should be 5. So we can say it can be option number first or it can be option number third, but it cannot be option number second and fourth. Now we have to check how many Friday are there. It can be 5 or 4. If first of the September is Tuesday, then Friday should be 4, next 11, next 18 or next 25. So we can say that only 4 Friday in this month. So we can say right answer of this question should be option number third, that 5 Tuesday and 4 Friday are exist in this month. If 15 September was Tuesday, then only 5 Tuesday are there and 4 Friday should be there. Let's move on toward the next question. Find out the set of number amongst the 4 set of numbers given in the alternatives which is similar to the set given in the question. First we have to identify the relation between these given set, and after that we have to identify the correct combination, correct relation out of these 4 alternatives. As you can see, this is a very basic question, because after multiply the first number through second, what will we get? We will get third number. Now try to solve it with this sequence. 9 into 8 multiply by 8, answer should be 56. So first answer false. 6 into 7, answer should be 42. Second option false. 8 into 11, what we will get? We will get 88. So this is the correct combination of this given set. So we can say that right answer of this question should be option number third. Let's proceed toward the next question. Again, one set is given. You have to identify which of the combination is true. First, as we are talking about this, you can see after adding these two, what will get? 36. So it can be, we are not still sure, it can be a division of this number divided by 2. What will get? We will get 36. Now try to apply it over here. 66 and these two numbers are more than 66. Still addition of this is more than 81. Again, addition of these two numbers are more than 45, and last addition of these two numbers are more than 54. So we can say this is not a method which we have already got. Now we have to think different. What we should think? We should think these 3 numbers can be divisible by 6. Now you can see here, these all are numbers divisible by 6. Now we have to identify the pattern which is divisible by 6. You can see here 24 is divisible by 6, 42 is divisible by 6 and 66 is divisible by 6. So it can be a method that we can crack this method. Now try to solve other. If another one option should be divisible by 6, now we have to think again differently. You can see 49 cannot be divisible by 6, 45 cannot be divisible by 6 and 38 cannot be divisible by 6. So correct answer what we will got? We will got the correct combination of this given set is option number first, that is 24, 42 and 66. Let's move on toward the next question. In the given figure, how many total square are there? We have to find out. While answering the question, you can see, first try to solve the question. The first para, like this. How many square in this smaller box? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 big square. We can say 5 square exist in this smaller box. Now what should we do? We should multiply it by 1, 2, 3. If we multiply 5 into 3, what we will get? 15. And this 5, what we will get? We will get answer should be 20. 20 is the right answer. That how many square are there? Their answer should be 20 square are available in this scenario. Again, now we will try to solve it one by one, so that will be beneficial for you. Now count it if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1 big square, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1 big square, 20. So 20 square are there, and shortcut will be 5 multiplied by 3 and basic 5, answer will be 20. So we can say right answer of this question will be option number 4. Let's proceed toward the last question, which is related to clock. A clock seen through a mirror shows quarter past 9. It is 9:15. What is correct time shown by clock in mirror? Now we have to, a clock seen through a mirror shows quarter past 9. What is the correct time shown by clock? While answering the question, do remember the short trick. Minus that timing it in 11 hours and 60 minutes. If you minus the 9:15 into 9:15 to 11 hours 60 minutes, then what will you get? You will get 2 hour and 45 minutes, which is written in option number second. Anytime whenever you find the clock question of related to mirror, if time is given, then try to solve it. Minus it with 11 hour and 60 minutes, then definitely you will get the correct answer of your clock regarding question. That's all about this scenario, and that's all about this discussion. So thanks for continuous watching, and I can say we will try to give you more and more, and we will try to give you our best to you so that you will crack your exam. Do remember, be focused toward your goal. Thank you.